guys, how are you? Welcome to USN Mix channel.
Today's topic is Nokia 5310 launch in India with dual speaker wireless FM radio and no price and specification. So today we'll discuss on this Nokia 5310 feature phone and its price and full specification.
Friends, today we'll discuss on this Nokia 5310 smartphone, its price and full specification. So this Nokia 5310 smartphones is 2.4 inch. The display screen, the size of this display screen of this smartphone is 2.4 inch, and resolution is 240 into 320, 240 into 320 pixels. The resolution of this display screen, and the phone have 8 GB RAM with 16 GB internal storage, and you can expand your memory up to 32 GB for store more files, more documents, more pictures or videos. So you can insert micro SD card up to 32 GB supported in this Nokia 5310 smartphone for external uses. And this phone has a VGA camera in this rear back panel of this smartphone, of this featured phone Nokia 5310, and this the color variant, two color variants, two dual color options is there, red and black and red and white. So there is the two color variants with dual color combination is available in this market, and the price and the battery is 1200 megahertz battery, which if the battery is fully charged, then it is backup up to 22 days. So this company claims. So this is the most strong powerful battery with this Nokia 5310 feature phone. So this is the main key specification, and now the price of this Nokia 5310 is below 5,000, and it is expected the price is 3,390 rupees, whatever it is expected price in Indian market. So this is the main key specification and price of this Nokia 5310 smartphone. And but before we go to the main full specification and the detailed price, if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. And if you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you will not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the computer.
Okay friends, now we will watch the detailed price and full specification of this Nokia 5310 in USN Mix website. So first you have seen this is the USN Mix website, and now we'll just today's topics is Nokia 5310 launch in India with dual speakers, wireless FM radio, price and specification. So USN Mix report, Nokia 5310 launch in India. The battery will last for 22 days once charged. So if the charge is full, then the battery backup is 22 days. And Nokia 5310 standby is 22 days. A special button will available for music. And there is also a camera with flashlights. And now the Nokia 5310 smartphones detail. And Nokia's license making company HMD Global is about to launch the 13-year-old popular device Nokia 5310 in India with a new avatar. Users are expected to set strong sound quality with music button as before in this feature phone. Let us tell you that the company introduced the Express Music Nokia 5310 in 2007, which took long quiz to buy. Nokia has launched its iconic features for feature phone Nokia 5310 in the Indian market, and Nokia 5310 is an upgraded version Nokia 5310 Express Music. So Nokia 5310 Express Music is launched in 2007, and it is the upgrade version of Nokia 5310 Express Music. So now it is this launch in this year 2020, and before the Nokia 5310 Express Music launched in 2007. So after 13 years, Nokia relaunched this upgrade version of this Nokia Express Music 5310. So Nokia 5310 has a dual SIM support. Apart from this, 22 days of backup has been claimed regarding the battery of this phone. So once fully charged, the phone will back up 22 days in the standby mode. Okay. So now Nokia 5310 users will get a lowered 5 MP3 player and FM radio. So in this phone, this is the preload MP3. So it is already MP3 players is there, and FM radio is available in this phone. And apart from this, a special button has been provided for music in this phone, as well as dual speaker. So dual speaker, and this is the for music, and in this phone, and a special button for this for music, and dual speaker is available in this phone. There is a camera sensor on the rear panel of this phone of LED light flash. So this phone has LED flash light with camera sensor. Now the Nokia specification, now the price. Okay, now the Nokia 5310 price, according to the media report surfaced, HMD Global will keep the price of this upcoming Nokia 5310 below rupees 5000. So it is the very reasonable price. Only this is the bar phone, looks like bar phone. You have seen this is the picture of this Nokia 5310. And now the price of this Nokia 5310, according to the media report surfaced, HMD Global will keep the price of this upcoming 5310 below 5000. So this price is below 5000. ये 5000 रुपया से कम ही प्राइस में आएगा फोन, एंड दिस फोन लगभग माने 5000 रुपीस के कम ही होगा इसका प्राइस in India. And however, the price of this is only after the launching of this program. So after launching this phone, actual price will be available, but it is expected that this price will be lower than 5000. And now the Nokia 5310 expected price is 3399 rupees in India. It is expected price 3399. So 3399 रुपया in Indian market its price is expected. So 3400 रुपया 3400 रुपया के लगभग होगा इसका price. And this phone is available in this black and red and white and red color variant. So dual color, one is black and red combination, and another is red and white color combinations. So it looks great when these two colors combination is one phone, and it will sold from online stores of Amazon India and Nokia from June to the 23. So from 23rd June it is available from Amazon store and Nokia online store, and the pre-booking of this Nokia 5310 has started today, and it will be sold from online store from July 22. So it is available from today and day after tomorrow, and from this 22 July. Then it will be sold from offline store from 22 July. So it is for, you will wait for 1 month if you want to buy from this offline, but it is online. It is available from this 23rd June. Now the specification. So price is very reasonable, the 3300. And now the specification of the Nokia 5310 smartphone. This not on the smartphone, this phone, and the feature phone has dual SIM support. Nokia 5310 has dual SIM support. Apart from this, 2.4-inch QVGA display with a resolution of 240 into 320 pixels. The resolution of this display screen resolution is 240 into 320 pixels, and Nokia 5310 has a MediaTek MT6260A processor. And apart from this, it will get 16 MB storage with 8 MB RAM, which can be increased to 32 GB with the dual memory card. So 16 GB storage with 8 GB RAM. So it is 16 GB internal storage with 8 GB RAM, and which will be increased up to 32 GB. So you can expand your memory up through this micro SD card up to 32 GB. If you require more storage for store more document, more files, more photos and videos, then you can increase your memory up to 32 GB. And this phone is supported 32 GB external micro SD card for more storage. And the phone has a VGA camera on the rear panel for connectivity. It has Bluetooth V 3.0 micro USB port, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and FM radio. So this is for this connectivity options. All these features are in this Nokia 5310 10 feature phone. So Bluetooth is available, and micro USB port is available, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and FM radio. The battery of this has been claimed 20 hours of talk time and 22 days standby. So if you standby mode, then it is backup for 22 days, and if you are talking mode, and this is 20 hours talk time if the battery is fully charged. And the phone has 2G support. The Nokia 5310 feature phone has a 2.4-inch QVGA non-touch screen display In addition, the phone has T9 keyboard. Apart from this, users have got support of Nokia Series 30 Plus software, MT6260A processor, 8GB RAM and 16GB storage in this phone. And the phone can be increased up to 32GB. Whatever I am saying, this 32GB you can expand your memory up to 32GB with this micro SD card. And now the FM and MP3 player will get support. The company has supported FM radio with MP3 player in this Nokia 5310 phone according to the entertainment. And with these speakers have been provided in the top and bottom of this phone. On the other hand, VGA camera with LED flash is also provided in this back panel of this feature phone. And now the battery. For connectivity, the company has provided the features such as Bluetooth, FM receiver, 3.5mm headphone jack and USB in this phone. And apart from this, the user has a 1200 MHz battery in this feature phone, which has a provide 22 days battery backup for a single charge. So if the battery is fully charged, it provides 22 days backup. And the battery is 1200 MHz powerful battery for this feature phone. So this is the main price and the full specification of this Nokia 5310 smartphone. And that is about our report today. Nokia 5310 launch in India with dual speaker, wireless FM radio, and that is the price and full specification.
Okay friends, that's it. And after watching this video, now you can know the detail about the price and full specification of this Nokia 5310 featured phone. Hope you'll enjoy this video and you like this video. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USN Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.